Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some basic materials so that we can add some color to our scene. So yeah, let's get started. Make sure you open up your file. The last file was scene details. Then we go to File, Save Scene As. Let's call this one Lesson 8, Materials. My ASCII file. Now, how to assign materials. There's 3 different types we're going to learn in this tutorial. So the first one is going to be a Lambert. Now Lambert is great for clothing, walls, and matted surfaces. So let's color our wall. I'm going to click on our wall, right click, hold it down, go down to Assign New Materials. Right click, hold down, go down to Assign New Material. Let go. Now give us tons of standard shaders. We're going to click on Lambert right here, Lambert. In your attribute editor, it should automatically appear when we click on Lambert. If not, you want to go all the way to the right, find your new Lambert 2. Let's rename this Wall Base. So like the base color for the wall. And I definitely recommend renaming them so you know what materials go where. And I'll show you that in a bit. So we got our Lambert. You can change the color here. Let's make this, you can make the wall color any color you want. Provide that it makes, I guess, sense for your space. Do kind of that color. So yeah, there's a bunch of other settings that you can mess with. You can even mess with the transparency, which I would not recommend for your wall. Ambient color. You can mess around with all this stuff. Now the next one I'll show you guys is a blend. This is great for like metals or plastics. So for my TV, I want more of a plasticky feel for it. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to right click, hold, assign new material. I'm going to do a blend right here. It'll pop up on my screen. I can change the color. I'm going to change the name to TV base so I know it's primarily for my TV. And then I'm going to actually change the color, make it a little darker. Yeah, I like that darker gray. Looks nice. Then go back to my TV base. Yep. You can mess around with the other settings, see what it does. Yeah, see that? It's already way shinier than my walls. And now let me show you the last one, Fong. This is for more polished metals or ceramics or glossy plastics. So I'll show you on the base. So you can apply it. Right click, assign new material. I'm going to do a Fong next, Fong. And I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make it more of a orange. More of a, yeah, you can see in real time how shiny this is already. I'm going to say this is a base. I just like adding base. It just helps me remember that it's like the base color for things. You can name it however or whatever makes sense to you guys. I'll show you one more cool thing. Let's say this face over here, I also add that texture to. To assign the same texture like I did the previous one, you right click, hold, assign existing material. Remember we just made that vase base? So I'm going to assign that by holding down the right button on my mouse and letting go, and boom, it appears on that vase as well. See that? It's pretty cool. So, what else can you do with this? What's great about applying the same material is, let's say I change the color of the base. So it's this orange color, right? Because they're both assigned, if I change this color, to, like, let's say a blue, it will change both items that have that assigned color. So that one's blue, and hopefully you saw this one change blue. So that's pretty cool if you assign the same material to multiple objects. This is great, especially for the books. When you guys assign different materials to the books, if they're supposed to have the same color, all the books will change to the correct color. So yeah. One more fun thing that you can do is, let's say you want to add specific colors. I'll use the base again. Let's say I want to add specific colors or patterns, right? I can right click, go to face, and now you can assign different materials to different faces. So I got a couple of faces selected. I can right click. I'm going to assign, just for an example, I'll show you, I'll have the TV base. So see how I added the TV base to it? So there's a lot of possibilities. And I'll link another video and show you guys how to add pictures to your picture frames. And same thing for the TV. If you wanted to add a visual on the TV, I'll link that video for you guys so you guys know how to do that. So yeah, take your time assigning materials. By the end of it, I already jumped ahead. You should get something that looks like this. Except it's your room, your colors. I do want some variety in colors, so please don't make everything just the same color. And yeah, you'll be able to assign picture to your picture frames too. Just check out the next video so you don't miss out on that. Anyway, don't forget to save, so that Command S, and if you have any questions, let me know in class. So yeah.